What up, what up, what up, what up? This is Big John, Stylist John. I can get you Fly TV. Welcome to Beauty School. Today, let me fix mine. Today I'm going to talk about how I got 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in less than a week and got monetized, okay? I'm going to show you how I did it. The first thing that you got to understand when you posting your videos to YouTube is that YouTube is based off of algorithm, okay? You got to have a specific niche, a certain thing you do that draws people to your page, okay? My niche is how-to. I like doing how-to videos and doing barber, beauty, business and instruction, okay? So that's my niche. Okay, so the first thing is how you upload videos. You can do this from your phone. I'm using a regular Android phone. I went to the YouTube app, went to my channel. Right here you can see my YouTube channel. Right here, okay? I'm on my YouTube channel. This button right here, the X button, this X button right here, you press that button right there to upload content to your page. So now I got a bunch of videos that I've recorded now on my page. I went right here from my YouTube page, pressed this button right here, all my videos popped up. Now, I'm going into picking one of my videos. I selected one of my videos. My video's uploaded. I click next. Click next. Then it takes you to the page where you upload it, where you write in your description, location, the title. So now I'm going to go in there and write in the title for my video and say, I love hair, I love fashion. I was a part of the hair and makeup team for a fashion show. So the video I'm posting is hair and fashion related. So I'm titling my video Fashion Over Fashion Show. My description is the next thing that you type in your description. And Midwest Stylist John, behind the scenes of Midwest Fashion Over Fashion Show. And in the video, I'm going to put hashtags. I'm going to put the hashtags that I want to put on my video. This is going to help with my SEO ranking. So I put Fashion Nova, Stylish John, my target market that I want in there. SEO, SEO tips, YouTube, YouTube SEO, viral video, how to. So I'm pretty much giving my video the description of what I want it to be placed in front of, okay? And so now I've done this on my phone, okay? I put all the hashtags and everything I want in there. And so now I'm going to upload it. No, it's not made for kids. Now it's uploading. And now it's 3 minutes left before it processes. I just did this in less than 5 minutes. Now once I upload this video to YouTube, on the right hand side of the screen, when you are writing your description, there's a button that you want to click. And this button that you click it's a button that says notify subscribers whenever you post a video. You want to make sure you click that button, that you notify your subscribers whenever you post a video, because what it does is it tells YouTube to show more of your fan base this video. And so when more of your fan base sees the video, it's gonna add on to your subscribers that subscribe to your channel, because people are gonna watch your video and it's gonna extend your watch hours. This is how I got 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 views in a week. If you found this video to be helpful and you seen this video, watch the video, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on how you can get monetized on YouTube, and you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month just from YouTube alone. I'm Stylish John. If you need help with your hair, hairstyles, barbering, braids, any type of lock retwist, book me online, www.stylishjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly. Welcome to beauty school.